Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off adapt sound function in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option and how to turn it off. So, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility menu. Next, hearing enhancements, and here we have our adapt sound. As you can see here, now we have one of these presets selected, and we want to turn it off. So no boosts to any sounds, any frequencies. This is default setting. The phone will always have this setting as default, so no boost at all. Of course, if we need something changed, we can, as you can see, change it from here. We can also test our hearing, but we need our headphones for that. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.